Hair dryness can be very serious when it comes to growing your hair. It can lead to hair tangle, hair breakages, thinning, hair fall, as well as balding. If care is not taken, you will start losing your edges like so and also have thin hair. This was my hair, but now thanks to all these DIYs, I have grown back my edges and my hair is growing thicker and fuller each and every day. So if you are someone suffering from hair breakages, then this video is for you. This treatment will not only condition your hair and makes it easier for you to detangle, but also help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. Without much ado, let's get into the recipe. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple treatment that can help you grow your hair much faster, condition your hair, and also prevent hair breakages. The first ingredient I'm going to use today is the fenugreek seeds. If you're wondering how to find fenugreek seeds or any other ingredients that I'm going to use in today's video, I have a link in the description box to purchase it from Amazon. Using my link, I get a little commission to help support my channel, but it does not add any extra cost to your final purchase. So make sure to use my link in the description below. This is the reason why I love fenugreek seeds. It can prevent hair breakages, fights dandruff, as well as promotes hair growth. The next ingredient I'm going to use today is the cloves. Cloves is one of my favorite ingredients for growing my natural hair. Cloves can help prevent premature growing of hair. It can condition your hair. It can prevent dandruff and also promote hair growth. If you've been following me on this channel, you would know I love my cloves. So I put these two ingredients in a blender and blend them away. And hey guys, if you're still watching to this point, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you are wanting to grow your hair or looking for hair care routine to help you care for your hair, then make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so that each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. The next thing that I'm going to add is shea butter. Shea butter is really good for our natural hair. It can help prevent dandruff, help moisturize your hair, and also prevent hair breakages. The next thing that I'm going to add is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is very lightweight and is really good for our natural hair. It can also help prevent dandruff. It can help prevent hair breakages and add some shine to the hair. So after that, I'm going to melt both oils together like so. And guys, I use the microwave, but you can use the double boiling method where you boil water and you put the two ingredients in till it melts. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So after blending my cloves and fenugreek, I'm going to add it to a pot of boiling water. Make sure the water is boiling before you add it. You do not have to blend your fenugreek seeds and your clove seeds to a very smooth consistency. At least when it breaks down a little bit, it's good to use. And this is what we are having now. Just make sure to give it a good stir as it boils and do not rush it. Just let it boil on a medium heat for about 10 minutes as you stir continuously. And after 10 minutes, you can take it off the fire. And this is what we're having now. Look at that. You need this color. So if your color is not as brown, deep brown like so, then you will have to let it boil a little bit more to extract all the goodies from these two ingredients. So at this point, I'm going to sieve it and I'm going to do it this way. I'm just going to use my strainer and I'm going to pour the water out of these two ingredients. And we do not need the other ingredients. You can use it later for a hair mask or whatever you want to use it for. But today, we just need the water from it. And I'm going to show you the best way to use this to help prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and also hair thinning. Okay, I know if you're still watching to this point, you are really enjoying the video the same way I am enjoying filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more DIY videos. So at this point, I'm going to add my two oils to this mixture. After that, I'm going to give it a good stir. We all know that water and oil do not really mix good together. So just do your best to give it a good stir till you get it mixed, to the best that you can. So at this point, I'm also going to add some extra virgin olive oil. And I love olive oil because it can also help prevent dandruff, add some shine to your hair, and also help you grow your hair. It also prevents hair breakages. So the good thing about this DIY is all the ingredients put together have similar properties. They do similar things to the hair. like preventing hair breakages, preventing dandruff, and promoting hair growth. So putting them together will indeed help you grow your hair much faster. And this is what we have now. Look at that. It looks yummy already, guys. And I can't wait to show you the best way to use this to grow your hair much faster, to prevent hair fall, hair damages, and also to detangle your hair. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to use it. And this is my hair. It just came out of a protective hairstyle. It's all dried and brittle. And I'm going to use this treatment to show you how to make this very easy to manage and also to prevent hair breakages. So when I start, I always work in sections, and always make sure to work with your hair in sections. One, it makes it very easier, and two, it prevents hair tangles and also hair breakages. So I just put it in my hair like so, and I rub it in. Guys, make sure whenever you're using good treatments like these, you do not just pour it on the surface of your hair. Make sure you're getting it into your scalp, your roots, your edges, your every part. So whenever I do this, I make sure I rub it in very well. Then look at how soft my hair is already looking, guys. And after that, I put it in a twist to retain all the moisture. So I just move on to the next section, and I'm going to do the same thing. And watch closely. Immediately this treatment touches my hair just relaxes, and it looks like I've added some chemical to my hair. And this is the magic of this treatment. So if you're having hair breakages, if your hair easily tangles, I get a whole lot of questions, people asking me, why is my hair so tough? How can I make my hair easy to manage? Guys, this is your go-to treatment. Give this a try and let me know your honest review on it. I love this treatment. It makes working with my hair very easier, especially when it comes out of a protective hairstyle. Because as soon as this treatment gets into my hair, it just melts down everything. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acids as well as proteins, and this is really great for our hair. It contains so many vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin K, as well as vitamin C. They are hydrating in nature and can help stimulate hair follicles for faster hair growth. It can condition your hair, prevent hair fall, any hair damages. It can also fight dandruff. Fenugreek seeds promote hair growth and also add some shine and silk to the hair. So if you're someone who really wants to grow nice, beautiful, thick, and healthy hair, then you might want to consider adding fenugreek seeds to your hair care regimen. You see, every hair damage starts with your hair being tangled, because once your hair is tangled, then you start having split ends. Then as you have split ends and you keep combing your hair and you keep losing hair, then you start having thinning of hair. Eventually you start balding or having alopecia, and eventually you might even lose all your hair. So anything that can help you detangle your hair much easier, anything that can help you condition your hair, anything that can help you moisturize your hair is something that you will need to turn on to. And this is exactly what this treatment is going to do for your hair. Then after that, I'm going to put on a shower cap and leave it for about 1 hour. I'm going to let it sit, and this is about 1 hour. And look at how my hair is all looking, guys. I'm going to take the braids down so you can tell for yourself how soft, how moisturized, how conditioned this hair is looking. And my curls, they are popping. Girl, if you haven't tried something like this before, you will really need to give it a try, especially if you are suffering from hair tangles, hair breakages, tangle of the hair, split ends, and also if you have any sort of balding or alopecia, anything that your hair is suffering from, you might want to add this treatment to your hair regimen. So after that, I wash it with my sulfate-free cream of nature shampoo and conditioner, and this is how my hair is looking, so soft and beautiful. And I'm going to go in with my Mills leave-in conditioner. And guys, I have links to all these products in my description box to purchase them, so make sure to use my links to purchase them. Then I went in with my coconut oil, and this is my moringa butter. Guys, I have the recipe to this butter, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out, because this butter can do so many wonders to your hair. And this is how much hair I lost after detangling my hair. And if I tell you this treatment is going to help you prevent hair breakages, girl, it is going to help you, so you must give it a try. And after every good treatment like so, you might want to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. And today I decided to do the African threading method to stretch my hair. And guys, this is how my hair is looking. If you've been following me on this channel, you will know I have really improved in my hair growth journey. If you do not know anything about me, I used to have relaxed or perm hair, chemicals damaged my hair, and I had to start growing my hair all over again. And in a very few or short amount of time, I've been able to grow my hair very thicker, beautiful, and it keeps growing each and every day. Thanks to all these DIYs that I've been showing you guys and on my hair care routine. If you are really serious about growing your hair, make sure to follow my hair care routine and also try some of my DIYs. I had so much fun filming this video and I hope you also enjoyed watching. I know you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye!